Today I really wanted to bring you coordinates, and my guy in New York did an amazing job. These are beautiful coordinates and I want to show them to you. This first is 100% cotton. It's a brown. I'm hoping you can see close up. It's a tone-on-tone floral. It's stunning. It is a stretch woven. It has stretch in one direction, 100% cotton. Just absolutely stunning. Now this is a jacquard, meaning that the pattern is not printed on, it's etched. It's literally built in. This is a brown to go with it. It's a burnout, beautiful leopard, or I don't know if it's leopard animal. That's real contemporary. It has stretch in both directions. It's a cotton poly, a gorgeous stretch and just a really beautiful combination. This is a stretch suede. It's a faux stretch suede. Again, beautiful fabric, cotton poly, stretch in both directions. You can see this fabric is really popular right now, this stretch suede. It has great drape, it has great hang, it does a beautiful job, paired with this black tone-on-tone, kind of almost like a landscape scene. Again, really beautiful. This is a 100% cotton and woven. But be a great pair of jeans, pants, jacket, and then the suede going with it really gives it some beautiful texture. $14.99 today and tomorrow. This is a denim. It's a non-stretch denim. It's 100% cotton, non-stretch. It's an Italian denim. Beautiful selvage. You could really work it both ways. And yet this fabric that goes with it, this is a chambray, Italian. It's on a gray background with the print being the same color as this denim. So it's just a really beautiful, again, combination of the two. Just, again, all $14.99 today and tomorrow, and it will make your happy sewing with beautiful fabrics from Silhouette Patterns.